Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Park on level ground, set the emergency brake, chock the rear wheels, and slightly loosen the lug nuts before lifting the vehicle. Use the factory jack point under the pinch weld, raise the front 5 to 6 inches until the wheel clears, then place jack stands under the frame rail and lower carefully. Keep a catch pan for brake fluid, wear gloves and eye protection, and keep rags ready to clean spills. Never rely on the jack alone when working under the car. After removing the wheel, unbolt the caliper slide bolts and hang the caliper from the suspension with a wire hanger so the brake hose is not stressed. Remove the old pads and retaining clips and inspect the rotor for scoring or minimum thickness. New pads are typically about 12 mm thick. Slowly compress the caliper piston with a C-clamp against an old brake pad while monitoring the master cylinder fluid level. If the reservoir overflows, remove excess fluid first to prevent spills. Place the new pads into the caliper bracket, apply a thin layer of high-temperature anti-squeal grease to the backing plates and pad edges, reinstall any retaining clips, then refit the caliper over the pads and torque the slide bolts to the manufacturer specification. Reinstall the wheel, lower the car, and tighten lug nuts in a star pattern to 100 lb-ft with a torque wrench. Pump the brake pedal 3 to 5 times to seat the pads. Inspect for fluid leaks. Then perform 8 to 10 controlled stops from 30 mph to bed the pads, and avoid heavy braking for the first 200 miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.